Hello everyone. Today our focus is going to be on how to fill out our graphic organizer. So I went ahead and I started the process, but I do want to go through it with you step by step. So I went ahead and I put my thesis statement right at the top of my graphic organizer. So here is my thesis statement here, and I would like for you guys to do the same. So pause the video and write your thesis statements right at the top of the page. So when you're ready, go ahead and push play. My thesis statement is ChatGPT is overall bad for humanity because more students will turn to cheating, and then I left out reason number 2 and 3 because I didn't want to give too much away. So first reason is that more students will turn to cheating. So again, here is my claim, bad for humanity. First reason, more students will turn to cheating. So I went ahead and I took this reason here and I put it in my first box here. My first supporting reason number 1 is that more students will turn to cheating. After that, I went and I had to find evidence to support this. So I went back into my sources and I found this quote: ChatGPT offers new abilities for everything from helping with research to doing your homework for you outright. Now this piece of evidence right here directly supports my reason for why it's bad for humanity. Now, to fill out the commentary section, I like to take the evidence that I chose here and ask myself a question about it. So I asked myself, why is this a problem? Why is it a problem for an AI to do your homework for you outright? Why is it bad to cheat? That's essentially what we're after. And then here comes my commentary. And notice how I numbered my quote and I matched it with my commentary. This is going to play a part later on in the essay. So I'm going to choose, let's go with green. So here's my commentary. I'm answering this question here. Higher order thinking skills and critical thinking are paramount to the success of societies. If people begin relying on AI rather than their own intelligence, our societies will become dependent on machines rather than their own intelligence. If people are not equipped to truly think intelligently on their own, they will become slaves to the machine. Knowledge is power, and if people lose their knowledge, it won't be long before AI has all the power. So notice that my commentary isn't just one sentence, it's multiple sentences of a developed thought. So again, I've got my supporting reason 1 here, I've got my first piece of evidence, and then my commentary. What I'd like you guys to do is fill out this chart using the same method. Write your supporting reasons on the left, write down 2 pieces of evidence and 2 pieces of commentary for those 2 pieces. So piece of evidence, commentary. Second piece of evidence, second bit of commentary. But again, don't limit yourself to one sentence of commentary. We're looking at multiple sentences to develop our thoughts. Also posted in Classroom is this document here, which is a copy of the elaboration techniques that you can use. There are different things that you can use, but I want to encourage you to use cause and effect statements. So if this happens, then what will happen? Then you can also use clarify. So after you use a quote, you could say this means that, and then further explain the idea. You can also give examples of your evidence in action and create anecdotes that exemplify what it is that you're trying to prove. Also, note that in my commentary, I tied my evidence back to humanity because, again, we're trying to prove that overall point of, okay, yes, it can help us cheat, but why is that bad for humanity? Why is that bad for our species? And that's going to play a part in your commentary. So your task for today, after you've written your thesis up at the top, including reasons 2 and 3, maybe some of you just have 2 supporting reasons, that's fine. You're going to transfer your supporting reasons into this column. You're going to find at least 2 pieces of evidence per supporting reason, and you're going to take the time to write out your commentary for those pieces of evidence that you've provided. And again, this copy of the elaboration techniques are in Google Classroom for you to review. All right, guys, get to it. Fill out your graphic organizer. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Great job.